So Zen web browser has been gaining popularity because of Mozilla Firefox, and I actually switched to it. And in this video I'm gonna just quickly make a video talk about it, what I like about it, and I have been enjoying it quite a bit. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. So this is my configuration of Zen web browser. As you can see, it's got some borders that it comes with, and I'm not sure how you can take these off, but you can change the colors, and as you can see I have changed the colors. So let's go ahead and load up a template website, I guess. So this is my template website for now. So let's talk about some of the features what I like about this. So Zen web browser is basically Firefox. So if I did log into it, I mean, as you can see, it's basically just like Firefox, and I've logged into it. I've signed into my Mozilla account, and so you know, it's gonna sync up all the history, web browser, and all that kind of stuff from Mozilla. So I don't know how well it does with like data mining. So whether they share all the stuff or not. I mean, you're gonna be using Mozilla Firefox. So if you're gonna try to, if you want to get away from that, then I don't recommend this browser. But I did sign into it because I don't really mind any of that kind of stuff. But as you can see in the settings, you do have some other options which I'll go into in a bit. But you can see it's basically Mozilla Firefox. You go Firefox Home, it's basically Firefox. So let's talk about some things I do like, and that is customization. This does have better customization than a lot of the other web browsers, and I think I just want to make it a bit bigger. And so it does have colors. You can choose colors, you can choose a theme settings. The only thing that I've done is and you can have a single toolbar at the corner, so that's the whole thing out the side. That's pretty nice. You can have multiple toolbars, which is two separate ones, or you can have collapsed side toolbar as well. So that's what I've got right now. So let's go ahead and just disable compact mode. And this is what you basically get, and it looks very nice. I think Firefox, Mozilla is gonna do the same. They've done the same thing with their own Firefox web browser, so they sort of stealing or borrowing from Zen web browser, and this is available as a Flatpak only, as far as I know. So you can download it from a Flatpak, and that's cool because it's just gonna work with everything. But as you can see, the design looks beautiful. It looks really nice. And if you've seen on some of my older videos, my Firefox configuration was using a custom style sheet to get a very compact design. So I had just one bar at the top with the tabs open to the side and stuff like that. And this has that sort of look just by default, and I really like it. Now the other thing you'll notice are the colors. So I can go ahead and change theme colors. Now I've got them the way I like, but you can actually have more colors in here, more colors, 4 colors, and you can have different looks. Whoa, that's cool. Up to 4 colors, I believe, floating, and then you can just move them about. That's really cool. I actually like that. That's pretty nice. But I've got them just to having 2 colors. That's without a color. Bing. Okay. So 2 colors floating. So, oh, sorry, I believe up to 3 colors. And you have these 2 colors, and then you do have the direction, which is here. So you can choose the direction of the fade, and that's pretty cool as well. So you do have some customization on this more than Firefox, but Firefox does have colors, and that's pretty cool. I really do like that. And the other thing is obviously you have the if I go into settings, so you do have this single sidebar. So if you have a really wide monitor, this would be very useful for that. You have multiple ones that goes up there. That's pretty nice. And then you obviously have the compact one. So I use the compact one because it looks better. And the other thing I do is I just enable compact mode, collapse the toolbar, compact mode. And again, this is another thing that I tried on Chromium as well as Firefox, which is getting a borderless window of Firefox, and it looks like, you know, as far as rising goes, it looks really nice. So it's something that you want, then you do have it. Now the other thing is you can, if you've seen this, you can just enable only the sidebar. So sorry, the hide the sidebar, and then you can have a very compact, very nice looking, in my opinion, desktop web browser. And so this looks really cool. I'm actually gonna just hide both of them because I do like this look. Yeah, the other feature it does have is actually multiple tabs side by side. I haven't messed about with this because it's cool, but like how the heck Oh, right, I get it. Oops, that's another window. Okay, and then what? Whoa. Okay, let's open. Oh no, and let's open google.com because now I use Google these days, honestly. Okay, and you even got workspaces as well. That's pretty cool. And then you can drag that in 3 tabs and oh, it's got tiling inside of and then you can close them like that, and then that's pretty cool. It's got tiling inside of the web browser. That's awesome. That's really nice. And the other thing is you also have workspaces, I believe. So that's tabs, and then now I've disabled these because I don't really use them. But you can add another workspace, which is just a way of organizing your tabs. Just to go out on like a different way. But I just have another window open because I have enough screen space. So I'll have one workspace, I guess you can say, and then another workspace just on the screen at the same time. But if you do have lower resolutions, stuff like that, this will come in handy. But yeah, Zen web browser, I've been using it and they has been really, really good. I do like it and I'm going to keep it for now.